Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to see that how we can log out the user. Alright, so let's get started with the video. And yeah, for one thing, I'm sorry for not uploading videos since 22 or 23 days. So I'm recording this video and I'll be maybe uploading after 2 to 3 days because I'll take time to edit this one. Alright, so yeah, okay. In the accounts app, okay, we need to open the views.py file. Just open views.py file and here I'll just zoom out a bit, okay, so you can see this properly, or maybe do this way. Okay, now here for logout we will be doing class view, custom logout view. Okay, and inside this we will pass log out view. Now we need to import this one from Django dot contrib dot auth dot views import logout view. Okay, so here we have used that one, and after that I will say next page equals to login, so we can say login, or we can also say reverse underscore lazy, and we can directly pass login, which is this one right here. All right, now we also need to import lazy, I mean reverse lazy, so you can say from django.urls import reverse lazy. Then let's jump to the class view. After here we can say def dispatch, oops, oh my gosh, sorry, dispatch self request quarks and args. After that we can say response, oops, yeah, this is code is something like that. Okay, let me just disable this. Yeah, response equals to super dot dispatch request quarks and args. After that we can say return, oops, response. Okay, once this is done, let's go to the urls.py. Okay, and here we can say path logout slash, and here I can say views dot custom. Why it is not taking custom logout view dot s underscore inew view. Okay, we need to write comma at the end over here, then only it is going to suggest you the class name. Okay, so as view, after that we can say name equals to, it is going to be logout. Okay, once this is done, copy this one, then let's go to base.html, base.html. Now in here we need to find out the logout button, which is over here. Okay, so we can say this one as authenticated. Okay, so we can see this button when the user is authenticated, but we are not doing anything to this button, right? So we can now start performing action on this. So here we can do form. Okay, form action is going to be, URL logout. Okay, method is going to be post, and yeah, that's it. And we can remove this one because we are going to use button for this. Okay, so here we can say csrf token. Since we are passing the post request, we need to use csrf token, otherwise it is not going to let you log in or log out. Log out, sorry. We are using this button for log out, so yeah, log out. Okay, so it will not allow you to log out the user. All right, so once this is done, we can say button, which is going to be submit. Okay, and we can say log out. And also let's pass the class, so we can say class equals to btn hyphen link, and we can say nav hyphen link. Okay, this should work. So since the server is up and running, we can come over here. I will need to log in as admin. Okay, if I click on logout, yeah, user is logging out. And if I admin at the rate admin.com admin, um it is also logging and it is also logging out. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in next video we are going to see that how we can mark our task as a complete. Okay, so we'll see you there. Thank you. Bye.